If you're hunting for a compact PC case that doesn't sacrifice functionality, this one deserves your attention. Supporting both ATX and mini ITX motherboards, it fits boards measuring 6.7 inches by 6.7 inches, mini ITX, up to 9.6 inches by 9.6 inches, micro ATX. That means you get flexibility whether you're building a small gaming rig or a sleek home office setup. What makes this case stand out is its ability to be used in either a vertical or horizontal orientation. This dual setup adapts to your workspace, letting you position your build exactly how you want it. It's a thoughtful design choice that gives you more control over your PC's footprint and airflow. Inside, the chamber concept design maximizes cable management space, critical for small form factor builds where every inch counts. By keeping cables organized and out of the way, it not only improves airflow but also makes your build look clean and professional. Thermal performance is another highlight here. The case features a stackable and flexible thermal solution that supports advanced ventilation. This ensures your components stay cool even under heavy loads, helping to maintain performance and longevity. Right out of the box, you get a 200mm front fan pre-installed, which provides strong airflow from the start. Plus, there's room for optional cooling upgrades if you want to push your system further. This balance of out-of-the-box readiness and customization is a real win. Connectivity options are practical and user-friendly. The front panel includes two USB 3.0 ports, a headphone jack, and a microphone input. These ports keep your essential peripherals within easy reach without cluttering your desk or reaching behind your PC. Storage options are equally flexible. Inside, you'll find space for 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. Whether you're installing traditional hard drives or faster solid-state drives, this case accommodates your needs without compromise. One of the best parts is the build quality and finish. Users praise its solid construction and the attention to detail in the design. The panels are interchangeable, offering customization without complicated tools. This means you can easily adapt the case's look or airflow to suit your preferences. A top reviewer from the United States highlights how well this case performs with a mini ITX motherboard paired with a full-size video card. They noted the quiet operation of the pre-installed fan and excellent thermals and airflow, which are crucial for gaming or intensive work sessions. The tool-less drive bays also make installation straightforward, speeding up the build process and reducing frustration. This is especially valuable if you're new to PC building or just want to swap out components quickly. In summary, this compact PC case delivers what you need for a small form factor build without cutting corners. Its versatile motherboard support, smart cable management, and robust cooling options make it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced builders. If you want a case that adapts to your space, keeps your components cool, and offers easy customization, this model is worth a look. It combines practical features with solid performance, all wrapped in a clean, compact design. Consider it if you're planning a build that balances size and power. The quiet fan and good airflow mean you won't have to compromise on noise or heat. Plus, the interchangeable panels let you tailor the case's style and function to your liking. With USB 3.0 ports and audio jacks conveniently placed on the front, your daily workflow becomes smoother. No more awkward reaches or tangled cables, just simple, accessible connectivity. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or starting fresh, this case supports a range of storage options to fit your data needs. From fast SSDs to high-capacity HDDs, you have the freedom to build your ideal system. The thoughtful design and quality materials mean this case won't just look good, it will last. That reliability matters when you invest time and money into your PC build. If that's you, someone who values compactness without sacrificing performance, this case fits the bill. It's a smart choice for small form factor enthusiasts who want a clean, efficient, and adaptable solution. Try it when you're ready to build a compact PC that works hard and looks great doing it. The blend of features here makes it a solid contender in its class, offering both convenience and performance in one package.